Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this last Friday edition. Yes, last Friday September the 10th, 2021, and it's actually today Monday. Yes, Monday September the 13th. Yeah, and I've told you in today's newspaper there was only one regular Sudoku and a medium Sudoku. There were no extra Sudokus or additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the Friday edition. The Saturday edition is already solved on Saturday and Sunday. So we have now one puzzle left. Tectonic with one star. Number 3388. 3388. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 15, 16, 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 9, 10 or 11 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see two single boxes. Single box, always a 1. Single box, always a 1. Do we see here dual boxes here? I cannot see any dual boxes. I see only two triple boxes. And here, triple box, I cannot fill this yet. This triple box, and remember, if you see a triple box, the inside box next to the middle box, this box can only be 4 or 5. Because it can be a 1, can be a 2, can be a 3, because those numbers are in the triple box. Same like here. This box, the box next to the middle box, inside box, 4 or 5. Okay. Then. Quadra boxes. I see here quadra box. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Do we have more quadra boxes? Here another quadra box. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then the following stage or strategy is the following strategy is to recognize some shapes. For example, shapes or structures or figures or construction, whatever you name it. We have here the L shape. Mirrored. Let me draw this. A mirrored L shape. Alright. We have here the L shape. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Alright. So this box has always the same number as that box. Do we have more L shape? Here another, but rotated. So this box has always the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape is, let me see, this shape. Let me draw this. Can you see this? Yes. Remember that if you see this shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes. Yeah, here, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Yeah, here another rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. More? No. Then this shape. This shape. Alright, this shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And also, here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright, has the same number. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then I see one shape or figure is left. This figure. Let me draw this here. Alright. Yes. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this is connected with that box. This is connected with this box. Okay. Alright, those are the figures. We have here 4 that you need to recognize to solve this puzzle. There are more of these kind of shapes or figures, but in this puzzle we have 4 that you need to recognize. And the following step or stage is let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright, we have a 4 here, so those 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then this box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, this box cannot be a 1, and that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 4 and another 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Alright. Then this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 3 and a 4. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. Alright. This box cannot be a 2, but also that box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 here. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 1, 2, 5. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, let me mark those. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and a 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quarter box should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be here. 2 numbers left in this triple box for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and a 5. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. Alright. This box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box, we have 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Alright. Now we have a 3 here. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. I have marked this box with 3 or a 4. So this box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Okay, I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be 2. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be a 1. Can it be a 2? Should be a 3. Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this L shape for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Alright. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 4. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Okay, 2 numbers left in this quarter box for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and the 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 or a 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. We have a pair here. 1, 2, 4, 3 and a 5. Alright. In this area. How about, I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? We have a double 5 there. So yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. And that box should be a 5 in this area. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Yeah, this box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Correct. For a 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like, I've not filled those 2 boxes. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, And the 5 goes there. Oh, I overlooked these two numbers. Now it's finished exactly in 50 minutes. All right. And I like this puzzle. Tectonic puzzle. Tectonic with 1 star. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the quintuplet, killer Sudoku. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We'll meet again tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.